But we're fixing to clean this one up for him and redo that point and give him a nice little edge. It's kind of sharp now though, but we're gonna have to come from the bottom up. You know, a lot of folks say, oh, you need to come from the top down because you mess up that edge. Well, you will, but it won't look right. It'll look stupid to me, but I'm gonna come from that corner all the way down to there and then clean the blade up good. Clean the whole knife up and oil it down. All right. Alright, put a little edge on it. I'm going to hone it in with my sharpener. Now I'm fit to clean the blade up a little bit. See how the initial cleanup went? I'm going to polish these up some more. I'm going to clean the handle up a little bit. First of all, we got to get that tip below the handle here. You got to grind this down some. Alright, you see there? It's below the handle now. Simply because you ground that down. Alright, I'm going to hone it in now. I'm going to go over it with this rough side first. Try to really shape up that blade real good. Because anytime you grind on this side, it's going to be flat and you have to redo an edge. But if I'd have come from the top down, it just wouldn't have looked right at all. You just can't do that on every knife. Some knives you can. It's got a curve up top, like a Spyderco or Kershaw. Those work well when you come from the bottom to the top down, because you get to maintain that other edge, the original edge that the factory put on there. But here, when you go from the bottom up, you got to reshape that edge. And these very old timers, the Schrades, they got good carbon steel in the blade, and they really have a great edge. They get really sharp. Check out that edge right there. It's sharp now. Very sharp. Look at all that rust right there. See there? That's why I love these little screwdrivers. They get it now. They're getting them cracks. You scratch it up like this, scratch it off, and the oil you spray that Remington gun oil, it will rinse it out. Might bring its color back. Look how the color come back. Pretty cool, ain't it? It's gonna be a good looking knife. I mean, the blade's gonna be a little short, but still a good looking blade. Not bad. I'd be glad to tote it. Now I'm gonna go over there and polish this up a little bit. It's really gonna shine in. Okay, white polish is for chrome and stainless, whereas the red is for brass. Just letting you know. I didn't know if y'all knew that or not. All right, we're finna oil it up now. Spray it down good. Get all that grime. Rinse out that grime. The can's getting low. Work that blade. Really proud of the way that color came back. Even though it's a little bit on this side, at least it ain't white, you know. See, I stuck a rag down there. I'm using a screwdriver to wipe this middle out because it's got a bunch of grime in there, but it's gonna be clean when I get to see all that. And it looks good. I can't, you ain't gonna be able to see it, but it looks good now. Never dull time. Okay guys, here she is. My buddy's knife. This is a 125 OT. Got a little oil right there. 125 OT. It's a great knife. Great carbon steel knives too. Brass liners. It's got a lock blade. See that right there? Lock blade. Won't let it come back down on your hands when you're cutting something. It's got a little snap to it. Now I'm gonna tell you, this knife, as y'all seen, was used and abused, but this is the way I love to get them and bring them where they have their dignity back. Check that blade out. That's a good looking knife, and this lanyard just gives it good character to me. Check that out. But ain't that beautiful? Ain't that pretty? Man, all it needs is a sheath, and I'm gonna find him one. got engraved on it, but it's okay. Just gives it character. I would be proud to carry this knife. And it's sharp. I knew it would sharpen up because, again, these old Schrades, they have really good carbon steel, and they sharpen up really good. But she is a beauty now. It's used and abused, and I like saving lives of old knives. So, again, guys, thank y'all for tuning in today. I appreciate y'all support all the time. And I just want to say thank y'all again, and God bless y'all. And until we meet again, y'all be like a good knife. Stay sharp.